Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So basically in this video I'm going to make a comparison between a top selling device, the iPhone 11, and the expected top selling device, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Both the devices are coming with a price tag of $600, and right now the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition in the pre-orders both in the Amazon and Best Buy will give you a $50 of a price tag cut, and you will find that device in a $550 of a price tag. Anyhow, before going into the video, if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So first of all, let's look at the display of both the devices. Well, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is clearly in a winner here because it's coming with a 6.5-inch of OLED display with a 120 Hz of refresh rate, whereas the Apple iPhone 11 is coming with a 6.1-inch of a display with a notch on the top of the device, and it's coming with only 60 Hz of refresh rate, and this panel is going to be an LCD panel. Other than that, surprisingly, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is coming with a smaller bezels than the iPhone 11. Both the devices are IP68 dust and water resistant. Well, moving on towards the back side, there is going to be a triple camera setup on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition and the dual cameras on the iPhone 11. Two of the camera sensors in the S20 Fan Edition are pretty much similar to the iPhone 11. One is coming with 12 megapixel of a wide angle, the other one is coming with a 12 megapixel of ultra wide sensor. One of the added advantage of S20 Fan Edition is having an extra lens which is coming with an 8 megapixel of telephoto lens, which has a 3x of optical zoom and 30x of digital zoom, whereas the rest of the cameras are pretty much same and both have 4K video recording both on the front and the back of the devices. Internally, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is coming with a Snapdragon 865 and Exynos 990 chipset inside. You will find the Snapdragon 865 variants in only those markets where the 5G is enabled, like the US, China, UK, Korea, and all those countries in the Europe which has 5G enabled, whereas the rest of the world is coming with Exynos 990 4G variant, whereas the Apple iPhone 11 is coming with A13 chipset inside, and that chipset is even faster than the Snapdragon 865, which means that Apple iPhone 11 has a much better optimization than the S20 Fan Edition. The apps opening between both the devices are going to be faster, but the better optimization you will be see on iPhone 11. In terms of RAM, the S20 Fan Edition is coming with different variants. We will find a 6GB and 8GB variant of a device with 128GB of internal storage up to 256GB of internal storage. However, in iPhone 11, you will find a 4GB of RAM with 3 different variants like 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB of internal storage. In terms of battery capacity, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is coming with a massive 4500 mAh of a battery capacity with a 25 watt of fast charging, 15 watt of wireless charging, and 4.5 watt of reverse wireless charging, whereas the iPhone 11 is coming with 3110 mAh of a battery capacity with an 18 watt of fast charging support and a Q1 wireless charging support. Both the devices are coming with a good price tag. Right now, the iPhone 11 is sold on $639, whereas you will find a discount in the US market for S20 Fan Edition, and you will get an unlocked device in $549 if you pre-order the device. So guys, I personally think that S20 Fan Edition has much more capability and it has much more great performances, and even the price tag of the device is pretty much awesome instead of iPhone 11. So guys, what do you think about both these devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.